here we go. Back to another video, guys. And today we are playing some Roblox Bowling. Let's do this. Okay, yeah. Let's do this. That should be a strike. Oh, come on! I got so robbed right there. That's not even funny. It was lagging. That's guaranteed hit. Come on. What? No! How did I miss that? Oh, okay. Well, that wasn't a good way to start out. Go. Excuse me for a second, guys. I'm just gonna try moving some stuff around here. Okay. Different angle. Yeet! Yeet! And strike! Hey, let's go.
Nice throw.
Let's go. Just strike. Let's go. Going for a double. And oh my gosh, what was that? The one to the left of me just yeet. They skirted that one and yeeted it so far. Bruh! Still that one left over. Okay. Fine. Huh? I could swear I picked it up. Okay, there we go. What in the world? I'm gonna act like I'm not even seeing that person right next to me dressed up like an actual globe. I don't know, this might not hit it, I'm not sure. Thank goodness. Trying to get through this as quickly as possible.
Nice spare.
Kinda like this music, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, shoot. It's making me walk back. What the heck? Okay, that was weird. I'm gonna add a little bit of curve to it. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay, here we go. Yeet! And strike! Yeah! Let's go. Baby, let's go. Woo!
Nice throw.
That's great. Alright guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe down below, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you guys want to see any more videos like this one, with any other kind of Roblox sports, just let me know in the comment section down below. I'm gonna do a little bit of medium power here instead, see what happens. And strike! Are you for real? Okay. Okay. Okay, that did not just happen. I am ignoring the fact that just happened. Ooh, coin. Oh, good. Someone got a strike. Cool. Watch this backwards throw. Yeet. Boom. Gotcha. Let's go. Doing pretty good.
Nice spare.
The game's not too hard. I mean, it's pretty simple. Oh, cool. Someone else got a strike. Yeet. Boom. Ah, now that was lousy. That was absolutely pathetic. I do not want to see that again. No, sir. I could swear I clicked it and picked it up. Come on, pick it up. There we go. Come on, get it. Get there. Dude, no, dang it. You're kidding me, dude. That's not right. That should not have happened. Okay. Curb power. Curb duration. There we go. Okay. Ah, get him! Yeah. Bruh! Okay. Yeah, okay. What is it? Dude, oh, they're throwing a giant earth ball. What the heck? Is that a hack? Is this person hacking? Is this person hawking? Dude, I don't understand. Dude, what? Dude, I thought I had it perfectly aimed. Okay, dude, okay. Dude, look at her. She's moving so slowly. Then again, so am I. I'm a little laggy, but that's okay. Okay. Incoming strike. Strike! Come on. Come on, baby. Ah, dude, that was bad. It's always in that same area. Oh, Bacon Man's about to go bowling. Bacon Man bowling. Let's see what he does. Let's see how he do. Oh. What? Where did his ball go? I think he threw a I think he threw a gutter ball. Oh, that's definitely gonna get him all. Got him. Woo! Yeah. Let's go, bro.
Nice spare.
This is about how good I'd probably do in real life. I'm not gonna lie. Boom. Strike.
Nice throw.
This is good stuff. Ah. Dude. Dude, that is nothing what the replay that is not what the replay was. That was not an instant replay right there. What's this weird music in the background? That's not what I want to see. Lower power. You need to get a little bit more height on the ball, you know? What I'm saying? There we go. Yeah. I can't believe it's taking this long just to do this game.
Nice spare.
That's probably how long it would take in real life, right? I don't know. Okay, I think this is the last frame. Is this the last frame? Yeah, we're past the last frame. This is the last shot, I think. You guys ready? Aiming it high. Aiming it far. Max power. Boom. Strike. Come on. Yeah! Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and, well, just check out the score afterwards. Since the game's over now. Okay, not bad, not bad. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications that will be notified to every single video I post. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.